So you join me at Bournemouth Square today, and today I'm going to be doing the 33 from here in Bournemouth Square to Christchurch for Leo's Grand Adventures. Let's roll the intro, everybody! So the 33 runs every hour, Monday to Saturday, but no Sunday service, and it'll take about an hour and 10 minutes to Christchurch. First one 7:40 in the morning, last one 6:25, 8:50 on Saturday, last one 5:55, and it'll take about an hour and 10 minutes to Christchurch. Today's bus for the 33 is 2281 HF12 GXD. So we're currently in Boscombe, heading towards Southbourne. And our next stop along this route, Palmerston Road. So we're currently at Boscombe bus station, stand C, and we also get the 22 and E3 to Castlepoint and Southbourne from here. So next we'll be heading towards North Road, then Kings Park. So see you when we get to Riversmeet Centre. To Bournemouth Hospital and Christchurch. So I'm currently at Bournemouth Hospital, just on B stand. So from there you can get the 33 to Alum, Chine and Christchurch, and the M1 and N1 to Pull. So fare information for today: if you want to travel on the 33, you'll just need a fare zone ABC ticket, and you can also use tap on and tap off as well. So we're due to go out in 1 minute, and I'll see you at Christchurch. So we're currently at Fisherman's Walk bus stop in Southbourne. From here you can get the M2 to Southbourne Crossroads, the 1C to Mudderford and Summerford, the 1B to Burton. So down there the 1B just goes down Beresford Road towards Burton. So now we're going to make our way to Christchurch Avenue. So our next stop is Grand Avenue. So now at Christchurch.
10 past the other side.
10 past 10. So we're just currently at Christchurch High Street, stop A, and it's time to do the new 33 route to Riversmeet. So I'm now at Riversmeet Centre, 2281's now going to head back to Alum Chine as a 33 at 10:04. So let's have a look at the timetable. So if you want to get the 33 to Bournemouth and Alum Chine, you need to come to Riversmeet, where they will run every hour, Monday to Saturday. So the first 33 on the Monday to Friday is 9:04. Last one is about 6:35. Please note that the 6:35 service terminates at Royal Bournemouth Hospital, and the 5:50 service terminates at Bournemouth. Then on the Saturday, first one is 10:04, last one 2:04. And the journey to Alum Chine will take about an hour and 23 minutes, and you go via Kings Avenue, Southbourne Crossroads, before terminating at right, I'm going to head back on the 2283, and I'll see you back in Bournemouth. Also from to Riversmeet Centre, you can get the 24 to Castlepoint and the N2 to Bournemouth and Poole, which only runs early mornings. Right, we're about to go out in 1 minute, so I'll see you back at Bournemouth Square to wrap up today's episode. So we're now back at Christchurch High Street. We're on stop B. From here you can get the 1A to Bournemouth, the X1 to Lymington, same as the X2, the 33 to Bournemouth and Alum Chine. So we are due to leave in 2 minutes. So we'll see you back at Bournemouth Square. To Bournemouth and Alum Chine. Tap off users. So please remember to tap off before leaving the bus. So the bus stop Broadway Shops, that's the closest bus stop to Hengistbury Head, which will be covered in the Beach Breezer 70 episode this summer. So we're just currently making our way to Southbourne and Pokesdown and Boscombe, and won't forget Royal Bournemouth Hospital as well. So buses you normally get for the 33, it's mostly Eclipse 2s, mainly the Bournemouth based ones, including 2271, 2272, 2271, 2282, 2283, all the way to 2286. So over here you've got Southbourne, that's Southbourne Coast Road, which is on the 70s route, which will also be covered in the Beach Breezer 70 episode this summer. So the 33 is kind of a nice little route, just according to the bus driver. The 33 is an it's an ex-Yellow bus, as the 33 was originally given to Yellow Bus before transferring over to Zela Bus. Then it's now currently transferred, it's now in Moore, and it's now with Moore Bus. So our next stop along this road is St Catherine's Road. Anyway, see you at Southbourne Crossroads. So we're now at Southbourne Crossroads. From here you can get the M2 to Bournemouth and Poole, and also the 1C to Bournemouth as well. Anyway,
33 to Bournemouth and Alum, Chine.
oh, we've got two M2s. This M2 here is 1774 HJ24 KCX. There's a driver. Got 1774 on an M2 to Paul, and that M2 just in front of us is 1778. Anyway, see you at Royal Bournemouth Hospital. Look who's joined my 33 trip today. It's Steve. Hello. So what bus are we on today, Steve? We're on 2281. Very good, Steve. Do you remember what happened when you were on this bus? I was being silly to Andrew and Kai.
Next stop, Cheriton Avenue.
Cheriton Avenue next. A lot of traffic around. Don't worry, Steve. We'll get through it. We will get through it. Okay. Alright, guys. See you at Bournemouth Hospital. Goodbye. So we're coming up to Royal Bournemouth Hospital now. You've got 1785 on the next 3 to Bournemouth. I do believe there's an M1 down there. There's an E2. E400 MMC on a 22, that is 1629, I do believe. So, looking at the timetable for the 33 from Royal Bournemouth Hospital. So the first one towards Christchurch to Riversmeet is 8:20, last one 8:47. First one is first one just terminates there. Then the last one is 8:22 on a Saturday. So yeah, we are running late because 16:28's not even moved yet. Anyway, see you at Bournemouth Square. So we're now back at Boscombe bus station, and our next stops after this is Palmerston Road and Boscombe Crescent.
Bournemouth and Alum, Chine.
Thank you. So now at hello, Terry. So I'm now on. I'm now back at Bournemouth Square. Terry Duncan over here is going to be driving the 33 next for me. I'm off to get the 5. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Beat the hot Terry.